Hi everyone, look what I have for you, this Consciot blender. Let's explore it together. It's a countertop blender from Consciot brand, so I'm super excited to open it and unbox it with you. This is the blender body here. It looks like super elegant. It comes with this spice blender. Also, it comes with 2 cups, one long and one short, and it has a max mark on it. Also, these cups are like to-go cups, so you can use them to make your smoothie and take them on the go. This is the cup for the spices, so whenever you ground the spice, you can just like save it in here like this, and also it comes with this brush so you can clean it from inside. I'm gonna make my daily smoothie. The probiotic, the tea, ice, and we're gonna close it. Now we're gonna put the smoothie in here, and all you do is turn it. To stop, you just turn it back, you open it. It crushed all the ice, as you can see. You can use this one as the cup for your smoothie, like this. And here you got yourself a really good smoothie. On the go. I hope you like it and stay fresh. Thank you for watching. Cheers.